If you want to preview a campaign in Mailchimp, this quick guide will show you the exact steps to view it the way your audience can see it. This is really helpful when you want to double check your layout, links, formatting, and overall design before sending anything out. Whether you're testing a newsletter, a promotion, or an announcement, previewing your campaign can help you catch mistakes early and make sure everything looks polished and professional. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Mailchimp. Once you're signed in, you will land on your Mailchimp dashboard. From here, look for the campaign section and click on it. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored, including drafts, sent campaigns, and anything you are currently working on. After that, find the specific campaign you want to preview. Next to that campaign, click on the three dots menu. This menu gives you additional options for managing your campaign without opening every setting manually. When the menu appears, look for the option that says View in Browser and click it. Mailchimp will open a browser version of your campaign, which lets you preview how the email will appear outside of the editor. This is a great way to check the final look, especially if you want to make sure the text, images, buttons, and spacing all display correctly. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Scroll through the campaign and look for any broken links, missing images, awkward line breaks, or formatting issues that might need fixing. If something does not look right, you can go back into the editor and make adjustments before sending it to your list. That is why previewing is such an important step in the email marketing process. It saves time, improves quality, and helps you avoid sending out an email with errors. So again, the process is simple. Go to Mailchimp, click Campaigns, open the three dots next to your campaign, and choose View in Browser. Once you know where to look, you can preview any campaign in just a few seconds. If this video was useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Mailchimp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.